So in the last video of figure and formulas, we have done two things. एक तो हमने क्यूब कर लिया था, दूसरा हमने क्यूबॉइड कर लिया था. So we have done their perimeter. After perimeter, we have done areas. Then we have done the volume of cube and cuboid. Okay. In this video, we will find the thing perimeter, area, and volume of cylinder. So basically, cylinder is a 3D figure in which three sides are given. ठीक है. So in the cylinder we have three sides. This is the face of the cylinder. This is the upper side, and this one is lower side. So this is phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. Okay. So now we will study this cylinder with the help of the model. So here we have a model of the cylinder in which this thing is the face, first face of the cylinder. So this is circular upper face and this is circular lower face. ठीक है. So first of all we open this net diagram of this cylinder. ठीक है. So now we will open this model of this cylinder. So see here, this cylinder is made up of three things. First one is this face, first face. So first face is like a rectangle piece. Clear? So this is a rectangle piece, and then this is the upper circle portion, and this one we have lower circular portion. ठीक है. So now open it. So here we have the structure. So as you can see, this is the middle portion which was the first face of the cylinder. ठीक है. So जो ये first face था, this is a rectangle piece like this. So this is a rectangular piece, and this one is upper face which is a circular face. ठीक है. So ये second one है, and this is the lower one which is also a circle. So this is the net of the cylinder. Clear? So this is the net diagram of the cylinder. So in which first phase is of a rectangle piece. So this is the rectangle, and this is upper circular portion. This is the lower circular portion. ठीक है. So with the help of this net diagram, we will find its surface area. ठीक है. So सबसे पहले we will find this one. So what is curved surface area? So curved surface area is like we have this rectangle piece. So we know this. If we have to find the rectangular area, so how do we find it? First of all, we will multiply the length with its breadth. ठीक है. So when we have to find the surface area of this one, अगर हमने rectangle का surface area पता करना है, so we will find its length with its breadth. ठीक है. We know this thing. Length multiply breadth is area of this rectangular piece. Okay. Now this length is changing into 2 pi r. So what is this 2 pi r? So see with the help of this net diagram. So see here. This is the rectangular piece in which this is the length of the rectangle. ठीक है. When we fold it edge to edge, so when we fold it edge to edge, we will get this circle. ठीक है. Because this length is changing into this circle, so what is the perimeter of the circle? So perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r. So this is the length which is changing into perimeter of the circle, or it is also known as परिमाप. ठीक है. सो जो लेंथ थी, लंबाई थी ऑफ द रेक्टेंगुलर पीस, इट इज चेंजिंग इनटू पेरीमीटर ऑफ दिस सर्कल. सो दैट इज व्हाई आई एम राइटिंग 2 पाई आर. ओके. एंड द ब्रेथ ऑफ दिस रेक्टेंगुलर पीस इज चेंजिंग इनटू हाइट. ठीक है. सो क्योंकि अभी एक सिलेंडर है, इसलिए इसकी जो ब्रेथ है इट इज चेंजिंग इनटू हाइट. सो हियर वी आर राइटिंग h. सो फॉर्मूला विल बी 2 पाई r मल्टीप्लाई h. So 2 pi r into h is 2 pi rh. Clear? So this is the formula to find surface area of this curved part. ठीक है. Surface area of this curved part. So this is the curved part of this cylinder. So surface area is 2 pi rh. ठीक है. So curved surface area of this cylinder is 2 pi rh. So this is the first formula of this cylinder. Clear? Now next one coming to this one. ठीक है. So this is the surface area, curved surface area, and this one is the lower circular part. So what is the surface area of this thing? Yes. So this is a circular part. So circle surface area is pi r square. ठीक है. So what is pi r square? Pi r square is the formula to find the surface area of this circle part. ठीक है. So एक pi r square है, and दूसरा हमारे पास this is also pi r square. So we have 2 pi r square. ठीक है. Now we have two circles. So we will write here pi r square plus pi r square. देखो एक pi r square इसका और दूसरा पाई आर स्क्वायर इसका, एंड दिस वन इज 2 पाई आर एच. So now we will add these three. So we will get here 2 pi RH plus pi r square plus pi r square. Clear? So pi r square plus pi r square. So 1 और 2 ये 2 बार है, इसलिए हम इसको लिखेंगे 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square because pi r square is given 2 times. Clear? Now we will find the common. अब इसमें क्या है? 2 multiply pi multiply r multiply h. So this is 2 multiply pi multiply r multiply r. ठीक है, so इसमें से कॉमन क्या निकालना है? 2 pi r 2 pi r. So let's find it. So we will get here 2 pi r and here what thing is left? Here we have h. Done. H plus and what is left here? 1 r because here we have r square. ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे r square है, एक r बाहर निकाल लिया, so we will get only 1 r here. So formula is 2 pi r h plus r. So this is the formula of total surface area of this cylinder. ठीक है, so here we have this curved surface area, this circular portion and this one circular portion. ठीक है, so total is 2 pi r h plus r. So this is our second formula. So curved surface area is 2 pi r h. Clear? And total surface area is 2 pi r h plus r. So let's solve an example. We have given a cylinder in which height of the cylinder is 14 centimeter. ठीक है, height of the cylinder is 14 centimeter and here we have given radius of this circular portion is 3 centimeter. This is the height which is 14 centimeter, height 14 centimeter and radius of this surface is 3 centimeter. ठीक है, now we will find its curved surface area, just this portion, कि इसका surface area कितना है. ठीक है, so formula will be 2 pi r h. 2 multiply pi is 22 by 7 into r is 3 which is radius and h is height which is 14. So 7, here we are getting 2, so here we are getting 264 centimeter square. ठीक है, now we will find total surface area. So formula is 2 pi r h plus r. So 2 multiply 22 by 7 into 3, h is our 14 plus r is our 3. Okay, so first of all we will solve this bracket. 14 and 3 will be 17. So 2 multiply 22 by 7 into 3 multiply, so 3 will multiply with this bracket. So 3 multiply with 17. 14 and 3 will be 17. So when we will solve it, we will get the total surface area of this cylinder in which height is 14 centimeter and the radius is 3 centimeter. Okay, so this is curved surface area and total surface area. Clear? So next formula we have to start here is volume. So now we will find volume of this cylinder. ठीक है, so इस cylinder का हम अब volume find करेंगे. Clear? So we have done this already कि जो volume है that is multiplication of base area into हाइट. ठीक है, कि जो भी बेस का एरिया है उसको हाइट के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करो, यू विल गेट द वॉल्यूम. सो इन दिस सिलेंडर वी हैव दिस हाइट. क्लियर? सो दिस इज द हाइट एंड दिस इज द बेस एंड वी नो दैट एरिया ऑफ दिस सर्कल इज पाई आर स्क्वायर. ठीक है, सो जो इसके बेस का एरिया है दैट इज पाई आर स्क्वायर बिकॉज दिस इज द सर्कल एंड द हाइट इज h. सो फॉर्मूला विल बी पाई आर स्क्वायर h. क्लियर? सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला to find volume of the cylinder. ठीक है, so we have done 3 formulas. Curved surface area, so जो curved surface area that is 2 pi r h. ठीक है, then we have total surface area that is 2 pi r h plus r. So these are the formula of cylinder or बेलन. ठीक है, so cylinder को हम बेलन भी बोलते हैं. So बेलन और cylinder have these 3 formulas. Curved surface area 2 pi r h. Total surface area is 2 pi r h plus r and volume is pi r square h, which is the multiplication of base area into height. Clear? So this is for today. Next thing we will do later. Thank you.